Hi there, Elmi here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do my quick and easy out-the-door makeup routine.
Today I am using the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation in 4W. I'm using the Sephora Pro Brush number 56 to apply. For concealer, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in 290. Then for my brows, I am taking Brow Love by the Brow Babe. This is their tinted gel in Deep Brunette. I absolutely love how itty bitty this applicator is. It's a great product for on the go because it adds a little bit of color while holding your brows perfectly in place. For my bronzer, I'm using MAC Cosmetics Mineralized Skin Finish in Give Me Sun. I'm using the Sephora brush number 49. With that same bronzer, I am now switching over to Sephora's Tapered Crease Brush number 19. I'm also taking it underneath the lower lash line to create that cat-like effect. For blush, I'm using Party by Tarte, and I'm using Sephora's blush brush number 54. Then for my highlight, I am using Dose of Colors, the Desi and Katie collab. This one is Chasing the Sun. It's my absolute favorite highlighter. I'm using the Sephora Pro Fan Brush number 65 to apply. I'm also taking this down the bridge of my nose and on my Cupid's bow, and then using it as my eyeshadow as well. For mascara, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. It gives you a nice lift and definition without having to use lash curlers as well. I also haven't found it flaking on my under eye area, which is awesome. For my lips, I am using Fenty Beauty's Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored. This is my absolute favorite red. This is such a great matte formula too. It's not super drying. I feel like my lips can still breathe and move throughout the day. It doesn't flake off or anything. It wears off really nicely. It does leave a little bit of a stain, but I do like that look throughout the day. For my lips, this will change day to day. Sometimes I use a bold color, sometimes I use a neutral. It just kind of depends on what I'm wearing or what my mood is that day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.